Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, let me teach you how to draw a cute little bird sitting on branch of the tree. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, first let me draw the wings of the bird. To make the drawing easier, I first draw with the inverted C shape joined by both the lines to a point to make a tip. Now just give a curved line, a smaller bend shape and make its body as shown. Now I draw its feathers using some slanting lines and sleeping lines. Observe the picture carefully while drawing and then start drawing. I draw some standing lines or straight lines at the center. Now using some slanting lines, let me draw the beak and draw its eyes using a circle. Now draw a branch using wavy lines as shown. Once the branches is done, let me add some leaves to the picture. I have taught you how to draw leaves in earlier classes, so hope you all remember, and draw some leaves here and there. Now let me draw its feet or legs. This completes the picture. Now I extend its wing and let's see how to color it. First, I color the picture using dark blue. I color all the outline using dark blue color. Next, I color the picture using light blue. Color the wings and feathers using dark blue and red. Once the feathers are done, color its beak with red color. Color the branches using dark brown. First color all the outlines using dark brown and then fill in with yellow color. Color all the leaves with dark green outline and fill in with yellow color. Once the leaves are completely done, I fill in with yellow color. Color its leg using black or dark brown. This completes the pictures, children. Isn't it very simple and easy to make it? Please do try. Meet you all in the next class with a new concept. Until then, take care. Bye bye.